Flying is the safest form of travel. But what really happens before a plane takes off? And that's why we're taking you on an exclusive trip behind the scenes to meet the people, to witness the preparation and understand the level of precision that goes behind making every journey of yours safe, seamless and comfortable. So buckle up because we're ready to take off. This behind me is ground handling, the art of turning around a plane fast. And we have Shubhan from ground handling who's going to tell us all about it, how it happens. Shubham, how do you clean 200 seats in just 15 minutes?
Before the flight arrives, the entire process of cleaning is pre-planned. Our cleaning team is highly trained in time management and teamwork. A clean cabin is just not the appearance, it's the first experience a guest would have in our aircraft. And we take it very seriously.
And what if you find something suspicious on the plane?
After the arrival, Air India security team is the first one to enter the aircraft. Before the cleaning crew goes in, they check every possible areas for the suspicious item.
Meanwhile, lavatory tanks are emptied, fresh water is refilled, small details but critical for a long journey. The catering truck rolls up with hot meals and refreshments. The galley is restocked and the crew ensures that nothing is missed. How do you keep the food fresh between flights?
When the meals are prepared in advance in our catering unit with a heavy-duty kitchen, and meals are dispatched from there according to the flight timings.
How many meals are loaded on one of those trucks?
Ma'am, the basically meals are depend upon the narrow body and wide body aircraft. On an average, 350 meals a catering van can carry.
Meanwhile, the cargo is weighted and checked. You know that overweight limit which annoys us? Well, how a plane is loaded, how much the luggage weighs is what keeps the plane's balance in check and affects how it flies. Have you ever had to offload luggage because it's too overweight?
Yes, ma'am. As per the labor law, we have to offload the luggage if a single piece is more than baggage weight of 32 kgs.
So now you know why those luggage are offloaded. Sometimes you get special cargo, right? So what's the heaviest item you've ever loaded on a plane?
Ma'am, we get equipment of like engineering also and a cargo shipment also. So we use spreader to manage the weight equally on the cargo hold. So it cannot damage the hold area, ma'am.
Okay. Sometimes there are fragile items also that you have to load. So is there special care that's taken for items that are marked fragile?
Basically, the fragile items are labeled with the seekers and scanned at the check-in counter only. From there, through lift, we load in the BMA area. Okay. And from there to load it in the specific cargo weight.
How are you equipped to handle medical emergencies?
Basically, we got the information from the ATC as well that there is a medical emergency or something. We inform every department like fire, doctor, like local doctor at the airport and airport operations division team. So before the arrival of the aircraft, we make sure everything should be at the, near the aircraft so we can handle the medical guys.
That's amazing. You guys do a great job. Thank you for sharing this with us.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
But while we've been watching this synchronized effort between multiple teams on ground, there is another crew inside the cabin working away just as precisely, the cabin crew. They have become the face of the airline. Every smile, every safety demonstration, every meal served at 35,000 feet, it all starts with their preparation on ground. And next time, we step into their world.